Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to remove or insert a SIM card into a Samsung phone. Here I have a SIM tray, yes, let's say, but this isn't from this phone. To get the SIM tray out, it's best to use the ejector key. But I don't have a key, so I'm using a pin instead. So we insert, there's a small hole here. We put the pin in and press down. After that, the tray pops out and we can remove it. Now you can insert your carrier's SIM card like this. Once more. And now we insert the card back into the tray. That's all there is to it. This has been hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.